Hello everyone, this is Dimitar from the RedmineUP support. In today's video I'm going to show you how to make the new ticket button appear into a contact. Okay, so we go to a project, in our case it is the CRM plugin demo project, and list the contacts here. And we pick some random contact, for example this guy, that is Derek Billington, and then we see that in the Helpdesk tickets we have no new ticket button here. So the goal in our video is to make it appear. Alright, so two simple steps have to be followed to make it appear. The first is to go to the settings of this project, and then here is a modules into the just one second please, into the project tab of the settings. There are modules here. So by default you have the contacts enabled. You have to enable the Helpdesk as well. So we enable the Helpdesk and then save our changes. Now we have, still being into the settings of this project, after enabling the module of Helpdesk, we have now Helpdesk settings and configurations. Here it has just appeared. So we click on Helpdesk and we see ticket tracker is by default set to be none. So we have to either pick some tracker, or if you wish you could select all. Then save the changes. Alright, so we return back to our contact, that is Derek Billington, and just refresh our page, and the new ticket is just now appearing. So via this new ticket button you could directly create a Helpdesk ticket from the contact here. So, thank you very much for watching this video, and if you wish, you could check other videos and articles from RedmineUP. Yeah, just one more thing. When you click on the new ticket, we see that the Helpdesk contact is automatically populated with this Derek Billington guy. Yeah. So, yeah, thank you again for watching this video, and bye bye for now.